Hi besties, and welcome back to another video. So today we will be installing some curly clip-ins from CurlsQueen. These are their 16-inch clip-in hair extensions. They're 100% high-grade Brazilian virgin human hair. They're true to length and thick and full from top to bottom, y'all. And I must say, these are some of the greatest quality clip-ins that I've received in a really long time. When you first open the package, you'll notice that the clip-ins are so pillow soft. It literally feels like someone pulled the curls out of your scalp and put them on a weft because, baby, you can't tell me this isn't my hair. I love the versatility of clip-ins because you can clip them in and create your own half wig, or you could simply blend them in with your natural hair for a more natural and free look. And I love that for this season. Half wigs are definitely the hype right now, but I feel like clip-ins deserve their recognition too. This style literally only took me about an hour, and I previously had in some mini twists before I did this video, so it was super easy to clip in the clip-ins into my roots, which had product on them, so it just was a win-win. But if you are thinking about doing this style, you can get away with braiding your hair down or doing twists. There are parts of my hair that are really soft, so even when putting the small combs in and snapping it closed, it still gripped the hair without sliding off. So once these clip-ins are in, they're definitely not going anywhere. I just took another piece and I applied that to the front of my hair where I want it to be more full and where it could use just another clip-in. The key is you want as less hair in the front as possible, but I took out just enough hair that I know would blend really well with the clip-ins. So it all comes down to personal preference and hair density when deciding if you want to leave more hair out or take less out. Y'all, I really love what this hair was given. Like, I was ready to be done at this part because it was so wild and free and curly how I love it. But I'm gonna show you how I style these clip-ins. So I just go in saturating my hair with some water, and then I go in with my extreme gel because I really love how that gel clumps the curls together and creates a barrier of complete shine to my curls. I don't know what I would do without extreme gel, y'all, because this gel just really brings the curls back to life. After I applied all my products, I love going in with my diffuser. My diffuser just helps clump the curls together without stretching them too much, which my blow dryer would do. So I love doing this on my curly wigs and curly clip-ins. And now it's time to blend our hair with the clip-ins. Here's the fun part. So I do this on stretched hair. I don't do it on wet hair because my curls will revert too much to a coily state. So I love using my lock and twist, and I just go in and I rake the product in with my hands and my edges, and then I'll go in with the comb to make sure I distributed that product evenly. And this is just a process that you kind of just play with, and you rake and scrunch until you get the curl texture that matches the closest to the clip-ins. So I'll just let you guys watch this part. So I just play with my hair until I get the desired texture, and y'all, the texture is texturing, okay? And I also want to debunk some myths, okay? You do not have to have type 2, type 3, 3A, 3B hair to achieve this. I have type 4 hair, and this is done on stretched hair. It's all about how you choose to blend the hair with the half wig. You can do this with perm rods. You can do this with twists. This is just the method that I use to get the most blend out of my curly clip-ins and my half wigs. So practice definitely brings results. Not perfect. And these are my results, y'all. This hair gave nothing less of beautiful, natural, and perfect for this season. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. Like, how are you going to tell me that? You can get in the pool with this hair. You can take a shower with this hair. You can go to the gym with this hair, y'all. And I promise no one will know that it's not yours. If you love this wig just as much as I do, use the code on the screen to save money off of these clip-ins. And you can shop the same hair by clicking the link in the description box. And go check out CurlsQueen, y'all. This brand is amazing, and they have even more amazing products for you to choose from. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, babes.